Hi, I'm Greg Piper with United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. Today I'm really excited to show you a Tiara 3100 Open, the ever so popular fishing boat and cruiser. We're going to take a tour of this boat, starting here in the enormous rear aft deck. You can see it's practically a dance floor. Recent improvements include all the soft goods on the back deck, including the bolsters and of course the full camper top. Ideal for fishing or set up your own lounge chairs and spend the afternoon. This boat is powered by Crusader inboards, approximately 270 horsepower each, has rebuilt transmission, and has been very well looked after over the 8 years this owner has owned this boat. It's been a freshwater boat. However, the engines are closed cooled should you choose for some saltwater usage. Let's take a tour down below. There's a real Chesapeake look. Lots of nice woods. Starting forward, you've got privacy in the form of the bifold doors, as well as the rattan separators. The V-berth has a filler cushion to extend it from a double to a more fuller size. You have a full galley here with hot water. Hot water tank has been recently replaced. That includes microwave, and we also have a stovetop. Got a private head to aft here. It's a recent addition to the boat. Does have a shower, which drains to a sump pump discharged overboard. It's a good size for a boat of this size. The settee here also converts to a double, so you can theoretically sleep 4 people down below here, but definitely 2 very comfortably. See, the cockpit coverings are also new. The Tiara 3100 has been a very popular boat for fishermen on the Great Lakes and is sought after by Canadians and Americans alike. It's well laid out for big water fishing, or if you just want to take the grandkids out and catch some perch. That concludes this tour. This boat is offered for sale through UnitedCityYachts.com, and I'm Greg Piper. Thanks for watching.